Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with TD Bank Business Payouts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw with TD Bank Business Payouts, begin by logging into your TD Bank online account. Navigate to the business section of the website. Select Payouts from the menu options provided. Choose the account from which you would like to withdraw funds. You will see a list of available payouts eligible for withdrawal. Click on the specific payout you wish to withdraw. Review the details of the payout, including the amount and date. Next, select the Withdraw option. You may be prompted to choose your preferred withdrawal method. Select either a direct transfer to your bank account or a paper check. If you choose a direct transfer, enter your bank account details if they are not already saved. Confirm the amount you would like to withdraw. Review all information to ensure accuracy. After verifying the details, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your account for the update on your withdrawal status. This process may take a few business days to reflect in your account depending on the method chosen. For any issues or questions, contact TD Bank customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.